In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Adobe Reader. This can be particularly useful if you've recently started learning a new language, or if you're sharing your device with others who prefer a different language. Let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you're on the Adobe Reader homepage. You'll notice your profile icon at the top. Hovering over it, you'll see an option titled My Plan. This is where all your account settings and preferences are stored, offering a centralized hub to manage various aspects of your Adobe experience. Clicking on My Plan will take you to a different screen with a range of options. One of the key sections here is Account and Security. This area contains various settings related to your account, and importantly for us, it includes language preferences. So go ahead and click on Account and Security. Once you're there, you'll see a list of options. Among them is Account, which is exactly where you want to go next. Once on the account page, scroll down the menu and keep an eye out for the language settings. It might be a bit lower on the page, so don't worry if you need to scroll a bit. Patience and a keen eye will help you locate the section marked Language. This is your gateway to changing the language in Adobe Reader. Next to Language, you'll see the word Change, or a similar option. Click on that. This action will bring up a list of available languages offered by Adobe. Now, it's time to select your preferred language. Adobe provides a fairly wide range of language options. So whether you're switching to Spanish, French, or any other supported language, you should find it here. Carefully go through the list. Be sure to select the one that best suits your needs or the one you're most comfortable with. After selecting your new language, you're almost done. Just one last crucial step to go. Having made your selection, you'll notice a Save button nearby. Clicking Save is essential because it ensures that your changes are applied and stored within your Adobe Reader settings. By doing this, you're telling Adobe that you'd like to transition to this new language preference for a more personalized experience. And now you're all set. The language of Adobe Reader will switch to the one you've selected. This adjustment can enhance your interaction with the software, making it more intuitive and accessible. It's important to remember that you can return and modify these settings at any time, should you decide to change the language again in the future. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide on how to change the language in Adobe Reader straightforward and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Have a great day.